If you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin said that over 200 years ago. It is still true today. I spent years watching talented professionals stay stuck in jobs they had outgrown. Not because they lacked ability, not because they lacked ambition. They stayed stuck because they had no plan. They had a wish, a daydream, a someday I will, but not a plan. I know that feeling. I lived it. When I finally made my own move from the 9-to-5 world to full-time solopreneurship, the thing that made the difference was not talent. It was not luck. It was a clear, step-by-step plan I committed to and executed 1 month at a time. That is exactly what I am giving you today. This is not a motivational pep talk. This is a 12-month blueprint built for professionals who are serious about building a real online business without gambling their mortgage, their savings, or their family's stability to do it. You have spent decades building skills, relationships, and expertise. That experience is not a liability in the creator economy. It is your greatest competitive advantage. The creator economy rewards credibility and depth. You have both. The plan I am about to share works whether you want a side income to cover the extras, a full bridge to replace your salary, or a long-term business you own and control. It is practical, it is low risk, and it is built around tools that already exist to help one person do what used to take an entire team. As a bonus, I've included a downloadable action step checklist to help you stay on track. Follow this plan carefully, then act on it. The plan only works if you do. This is Hugh Lee Johnson, creator and publisher of Venture AIX Money. Let's get started. The 12-month exit plan. From side hustle to full-time online business. You work hard. You pay the bills. You show up every day to a job that no longer excites you. But somewhere in the back of your mind, you know there is more. You have skills, experience, and a growing list of ideas. What you need is a plan, not a dream. A plan. This 12-month exit plan is built for professionals over 40 who are ready to stop talking and start building. You do not need to quit your job tomorrow. You need to build the bridge before you cross it. Here is how you do it. Phase 1. Months 1 to 3. Build the foundation. Before you earn a dollar, you need to know what you are selling and who you are selling it to. Start with these 3 steps. Choose your niche. Pick one specific problem you solve for one specific type of person. The narrower your focus, the faster you grow. 2. Start your newsletter. Email is the only platform you own. Social media accounts get deleted, restricted, or buried by algorithm changes. Your email list is yours forever. Sign up for Beehive. It is free to start and built for newsletter growth. Post content 3 times per week. Pick one platform where your audience lives. LinkedIn works best for professionals over 40. Show up consistently and share what you know. By the end of month 3, your goal is 200 subscribers and a clear content rhythm. Phase 2. Months 4 to 6, grow your audience. At this stage, you stop winging it and start building systems. Focus on 4 things. Publish your newsletter twice per week. Consistency builds trust. Trust builds subscribers. Subscribers become buyers. Create a free lead magnet. A one-page checklist, a short guide, or a resource list works well. Give it away in exchange for an email address. Cross-promote with other newsletters. Find creators in adjacent niches and swap newsletter mentions. This is one of the fastest free ways to grow. 3. Engage daily. Reply to comments. Start conversations. The algorithm rewards people who show up. More importantly, your audience rewards people who respond. By month 6, aim for 500 engaged subscribers. Phase 3. Months 7 to 9, test your offer. This is where most people stall. They build an audience and then do nothing with it. Do not make that mistake. Steps to follow. Shown. Survey your audience. Ask them what their biggest challenge is. Use their exact words to shape your offer. Launch a low-ticket digital product. A $27 to $47 template, mini course, or checklist bundle is a good starting point. You are testing the market, not betting your savings on it. Add an affiliate income stream. Recommend tools you already use and earn a commission. Beehive has an affiliate program. Claude AI has one too. These are the tools your readers need and trust. Track your revenue weekly. Even $200 in monthly side income is proof that your model works. By month 9, you want a consistent monthly revenue of at least $500 to $1,000. Phase 4, months 10 to 12, build your exit bridge. Now you scale what is working and prepare for the transition. Launch a higher ticket offer, a coaching call package, a group program, or a premium newsletter tier priced at $97 and up is a smart next step. Your audience already trusts you by now. Automate your content workflow. Use AI tools to write faster, repurpose content, and stay consistent without burning out. Set your exit number. Calculate the monthly income you need to replace your current salary. Work backward from that number to your offer pricing and subscriber goal. VENTURE. Give yourself a firm date. A deadline turns a goal into a commitment. Free and low-cost AI tools to speed up your progress. These 4 tools work together to help you build faster without spending a lot. Claude AI. Use it to write newsletter content, outline digital products, and research your niche. This is the AI tool I use every day. Beehive. The best free platform to start, grow, and monetize your newsletter. Built for creators from day one. Perplexity AI. Use it to research industry trends, find newsletter content ideas, and stay current on what your audience cares about. Free to start. Canva. Design your lead magnets, social media graphics, and newsletter header images. The free plan is more than enough to get started. Start before you feel ready. The professionals who make this work are not the most talented. They are the most consistent. You already have the experience, the credibility, and the knowledge. You need the system. 12 months from today, you could be running a real online business from your laptop. The only thing standing between you and that outcome is the decision to start. Subscribe to VENTURE AIX Money and get the tools, tactics, and AI strategies to make that transition a reality. New issues every Tuesday and Thursday. Free to join. 3 key takeaways. Build before you burn the boats. A 12-month plan lets you test, earn, and grow without the financial pressure of quitting your job too soon. Proof of income before the exit is the smart move. Your email list is your most valuable asset. Social media platforms are borrowed space. The professionals who build email lists through platforms like Beehive own their audience and control their income. AI tools close the gap between idea and income. Tools like Claude AI and Perplexity AI let one person do what used to take a team. For professionals over 40, this levels the playing field in your favor. Bonus resource, PDF file. 12-month exit plan, checklist, docs PDF.